Guess what? I'm making pumpkin brownies. I'm so excited. My son's excited too. Now here I have a stick of butter. That's half a cup of butter plus 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm melting it in a saucepan. And when I'm done, I'm going to take 2 cups of chocolate chips and melt them using the ambient heat from the butter. Okay, this butter is a little bit extremely melty, so I'm going to remove it from the heat. And then that's when I mix in the chocolate chips. So this is actually 2 cups of chocolate chips, which is a full bag. I did not know that though. Now I use the ambient heat from the butter to melt the chocolate. See it getting melty in there. As you can see, this chocolate is melting nicely. I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna add the sugar next. Now I add in 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. So here's 1 cup. That looks like quite a bit. And now actually 4 tablespoons because I'm doubling a recipe. That's why there's such an odd number of measurements. So here I go, stirring the sugar into the chocolate. This is quite a lot of sugar. But as you can see, that stirs up nicely to make a nice brownie base. And I'm going to add 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree. Here is 1 cup. And then I'll add the 1/2 cup. And in case you're wondering, this is about a can of pureed pumpkin that this recipe takes. Okay, and now let's stir that up a little bit. Hold on. Okay, well, I had some difficulties while stirring my pumpkin puree. It's getting all over the place. The pumpkin lace plate a little bit. Anyway, it's like all over my glasses. I don't know if you can see. I'm very pureed. Oh, that looks really nice though. Look how delicious that looks. Next, I add 4 eggs. So that's 1. And here comes egg number 2. 2. And egg number 3. Yeah. And here comes egg number 4. All right. So I'll just stir that up a bit. So now I add a teaspoon of almond extract and 2 tablespoons of coffee. I like this Café du Monde that uses chicory. So there's 1 and 2. Then 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1.5 cups of flour. And then you just add some pumpkin spice seasoning, about 2 teaspoons full. And that's just a blend of seasonings from pumpkin spice. And I'm gonna pour it in the oven, bake it, I'll show you.